Welcome to Module 3, Lesson 1. Our I can statement is, I can use visual models and equations to represent and interpret a multiplicative comparison. Okay, so we see multiplicative. So we know we're going to be using multiplication to solve. And these are going to be comparison problems that we're going to be using multiplication to solve. All right. Jasleen throws 2 balls at the target. She gets 4 points for landing on red. She gets 3 times as many points for landing on green. Use a visual model to show how many points Jasleen gets for landing on red. Then show how many points she gets for landing on green. Okay, so we know that for red, she's going to get 4 points. Okay, so I can show that. 4 points for red. For green, she's going to get 3 times as many. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times as many. And each of those 3 times is worth those 4 points that she gets from landing on red. Okay, so she gets 4 points for red. Okay, 4 points. And then green is 3 times as many. So 4 points 3 times. So how many points does she get for landing on green? Green is equal to 3 groups of 4 points, or 12 points. Okay, go ahead and turn to problem 2. Landon wins 4 tickets for playing a car game. He wins 6 times as many tickets for the space game. How many tickets does Landon win for the space game? We're going to use a bar model to represent the problem. Okay, so I always like to start by labeling. We have a car game and we have a space game. All right, for the car game, he wins 4 tickets. He gets 6 times as many for the space game. So there's 1 times as many, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times as many, 5 times, and 6 times as many. Remember, that's 6 times as many as the 4 tickets he gets for the car game. So in total, for the space game, if he has 6 times as many as the 4, he would get 24 tickets. What is our equation we can use to model the problem? Well, we know that the space game is 6 times as many, and it's 6 times as many as the 4 tickets. So 6 times as many as 4, and that's going to equal 24. So letter C is asking us just to write that in words, what we just said here on how we found that equation. So 24, right, how many tickets he gets for the space game is 6 times as many as 4. How many tickets does he win? He wins 24 tickets. Alright, so let's go ahead and complete this check understanding. A superhero video game uses 6 coins. An airplane game uses twice as many coins as the superhero game. How many coins does the airplane game use? Complete the bar model comparison and the equation to solve. Okay, so let's go ahead and label. We know that the superhero one is where he doesn't have as many, right? We know he's going to get or uses 6 coins. Okay, so we'll label here superhero. And we know that uses 6 coins. The airplane is the other game. And the airplane game uses twice as many coins. So you see here, it's already drawn the bar model for you to show twice as many as 6. So twice as many would be 12 coins. So now it's asking us to complete this comparison just like we did. 12. We have 2 times as many as 6 is 12, right? Because we're saying there's 2 times as many as he did in the first game. The first game uses 6. 2 times as many as 6 is 12. That's where our comparison language gets a little tricky. But when we write that as a multiplication equation, it's 2 times the 6 coins used in the superhero game is the 12 coins used in the airplane game. So the airplane game uses 12 coins.